Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Roblox account. If you want to delete your Roblox account in your mobile device, first of all open up the Roblox app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the More button at the bottom right corner and from the More menu click on Settings. Inside Settings, select Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now, go to the bottom of the menu and click on Account Deactivation and Deletion. From there, you will see two different options. One is to deactivate and the other is to account deletion. To delete your account, tap on the Initiate button right next to Initiate Account Deletion. Now, deleting your account is permanent and it cannot be reversed, so make sure that you are ready for this choice. You will not be able to access any items from your Roblox account. If you're not sure if you want to delete your account, you can deactivate it instead. Also make sure that you have unsubscribed from the premium versions of Roblox so that you don't want to be charged with it even after you delete your account. So make sure to tap on Initiate in the pop-up if you're sure you want to delete and wait for a few seconds. It will show you how you can deactivate or delete your account. Go to Account Deletion and tap on the little support form and then enter your contact information such as your username, first name, email address, issue. From the help category, make sure that you choose I want to delete my account, and from the sub help categories select I want to delete my account again and describe if you have any issues going on with Roblox in the text box. And finally, after entering all of the information, click on Continue. This will now help you contact a Roblox support team so that you can request for your account deletion. You'll receive a confirmation email from Roblox. They may also ask for verification like confirming the ownership of the account. And Roblox typically takes a few days to respond. Once verified, they will process with your account deletion request. And that's how you exactly delete your Roblox account safely and officially. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.